Richard, up. Foul. Blocking foul by Mr. Levy. Levy.
6 foul.
1 personal foul. First team foul ng Malas Pilipinas. 3 minutes. Time left. Pass out to. Muntik po siya.
Toto.
Okay, 2 shots. 2 free shots to Mr. Toto. Second foul by Mr. Acohedo. Third team foul ng Unli Pop.
Babasa yung laptop ko.